Hey guys, welcome back. In today's video, we are finally decorating for fall. So if you guys want to come decorate with me, then please keep watching. Alright guys, we're going to get right into it. I'm not going to do too much talking. I might pop in here and there, but if you guys want to know where anything is from, please let me know down in the comments below. If you have not seen my fall 2021 haul, I will link it down below and above. You guys can go check it out. I did get some new stuff like that thankful sign this year, but most of it is from previous years. But anyway, if you guys do have questions, please let me know in the comments down below, and let's just get decorating. Alright guys, that wraps up my fall 2021 decorate with me. I hope you guys enjoyed. It did take me quite a while to get up and moving for this year. I usually like to have my house decorated before September. It is September 17th as I am filming this, so it did take quite a while, but I am happy to have everything done. It feels so warm and so cozy. I did want to include some afternoon shots so you guys can kind of see what it looks like in here when it's kind of dark with the orange backlighting and all the orange lights that I have. It's really welcoming and really cozy. I really like it. But if you guys haven't seen my fall 2020 decorate with me, I will link it down below and above. It is a little cringeworthy. It was my very first YouTube video, but if you guys do want to watch it and see what I did last year and compare to this year, please feel free. I did do quite a few different things. I got more stuff. I kind of wanted to be a little bit more simplistic with my decor this year, but I hope you guys enjoy. Please stay tuned. I will be filming a fall DIY and my fall coffee bar ideas here very soon. So if you guys like this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you guys in our next video. Bye guys!